I welcome you back to my channel. Today we are going to learn parts of the body. So sit back and enjoy the lesson. First we have is isi, which means head. Anya is eyes. Imi, nose. Ọnụ, mouth. Ntị, ear. Ire, tongue. Eze means teeth. Aka is hand. Ụkwụ is leg. Ihu is face. Azụ, back. Ike, buttocks. Ikpere, knee. Ntutu isi, hair. Follow the link in the description to watch the full video for better explanation. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in our next class. Ka emesịanụ.